Has styling your hair for hours every day become a chore? Would you like to have a complete hairdo in minutes? Introducing the newest and most innovative hairstyling trend. No tangles or hair loss. You will never have to use your dusty old hairbrush again. All you need is shampoo and some warm water as a solvent to do the trick. Begin by styling your hair using clean hands. Lightly pull out 2 strands from either side of the head and curl them upwards. Victory rolls, a modest look with an elegant touch, ideal for daytime wear. Next is the foam swirl. Collect your hair into one strand like a ponytail and delicately swirl it around on the top of your head, from a thicker base to a thin tip. A neat updo for an elegant evening or a night at the opera. A look for the ladies who like to stand out from the crowd. Gently pull your hair backwards, running your fingers through it in a symmetrical motion. All eyes will be on you when wearing the pompadour minor. Needle cropped bob. Bring your hair to the top half of your head and lightly pinch 2 thin strands. Smooth them out and fluff up the remaining hair into a short bob. A perfect hairstyle for young women for an evening outing. To achieve the following style, smooth your hair out with the bottom of your hands, moving it to one side. The waterfall is a modern and elegant look for a cocktail party or social gathering, comfortable to wear and very stylish. There is nothing like the very popular space buns. Separate your hair into 2 equal halves and whirl the 2 strands into a bun, securing them with your hands for a pronounced form. A quick and stylish option for the working woman and housewife. The classic pigtail hairstyle is a beautiful look for all ages. Separate your hair into 2 halves and twist it 2 to 3 times to tighten the tails. Whether you are going to school or to dinner with your husband, all girls can enjoy this neat updo no matter the occasion. A la Rogue. This look is the most spunky of them all. Style your hair easily by lightly pinching out thin strands all around the head to create that youthful punk-style hairdo. A nice and comfortable look for everyday wear to show off to your girlfriends. Next is the donut, a small single-side bun. Collect all your hair to one side of the head and swirl it around, compressing it firmly. Smooth out the rest of the hair for the finished touch. A formal style for an evening outing or everyday work that can keep up with the active life of the modern woman. A throwback to the egregious 80s. To create this look, simply collect your hair in a ponytail and tighten it at the top of your head. striped pants and big hair. The feathered pony is a time machine that takes us back to the decade with the boldest fashion. Definitely one to try out. Feeling emotional? Bring that ponytail in front of your face to cover one eye and flatten it out with your palms. Peekaboo is for one of those days. You know what I'm talking about. The curly punk. With the tip of your hair, create a curl on your forehead and bring the rest back. Gently push your hair from either side of the head to create a volume along the top of your head. A modernist look that will be the talk of your entire neighborhood. Flaunt it in an evening outing or at tea time with your girlfriends. No one will be wearing anything like it. Next is the stylish mohawk. Make a single line of hair all along the top of your head for that sleek futuristic look. No toxic hair products necessary, simply shampoo. Last but not least, bunny loop. First, make a small curl in the middle of your forehead. Split the remaining hair into 2 halves and loop each one around your fingers, attaching the top to your head. This is a style of sunshine and innocence, ideal for young girls and youthful women. Save time on styling and amaze your friends and family with these gorgeous new looks, which you can wear around the home, to the theater, or dinner with your husband. All under 2 minutes. Simply add shampoo and water.